Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the menu button to open the menu. So let's press and hold it. Once the menu opens, you should see the watch face option. Make sure it's selected. If it's not, you can use the up and down buttons to select it. And after you select the watch face option, press the GPS button to enter. And it should open the list of watch faces, the watch face menu, and you can scroll through the list by using the up and down buttons. Find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it and select it, press the GPS button, and then select the apply option and press the GPS button. And the watch face will be applied. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So let's reopen the watch face menu, like this. Select the watch face, then select the customize option, and here we can change the type of the widget. Then we can change the type of the widget here. Then we can change the type of widget here. Again, we can change the type of widget, and then we can change how the hour is displayed. And once you press the GPS button and you see the check mark in this circle, it means that the settings were applied, and here we have our watch face. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.